Did you know that some of the health tips we swear by are completely mistaken? With a barrage of information from all corners of the internet, it's easy to fall prey to compelling yet unfounded beliefs. Today, we're diving deep into the science behind 5 surprising health myths that have persisted for far too long. First on our list, the idea that you need to drink 8 glasses of water a day to stay hydrated. This rule, often touted as a gold standard, overlooks key factors. Science tells us that hydration needs are highly individual and depend on diet, activity level, and even the climate one lives in. Intriguingly, foods like fruits and vegetables contribute significantly to our daily water intake. Here's the surprise. Thirst is a more reliable indicator for most healthy individuals than counting glasses. Are you still counting your glasses? Moving to our second myth. Let's talk about the age-old belief that cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis. This pervasive claim has worried generations unnecessarily. Research, including a notable longitudinal study, shows no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. Instead, the sound is simply caused by gas bubbles popping within the joint. However, some studies suggest it may lead to reduced grip strength over time. What does this mean for the lifelong knuckle cracker? Let's challenge the idea that natural sugars are unequivocally better than processed sugars. The truth is, your body processes fructose from fruit and sucrose from a cake in similar ways, metabolizing both into glucose. The difference lies in nutrition. Whole fruits carry fibers, vitamins, and antioxidants. While processed sweets lack these benefits, demonizing all sugar doesn't acknowledge the full picture. Have you succumbed to this sweet deception? Next, consider the belief that detox diets cleanse toxins from your body. While this is a popular notion, the body's own organs, particularly the liver and kidneys, handle detoxifying processes efficiently. There's little credible scientific backing that detox diets do anything beyond offering temporary weight loss through calorie restriction. Furthermore, some can be dangerous if they eliminate essential nutrients. Isn't it time we trust our body's natural detox processes more than expensive, fleeting detox trends? Finally, the myth suggesting that eating after 8 p.m. leads to weight gain holds little scientific credibility. Research emphasizes that overall calorie intake and expenditure are far more critical than timing. Late eating can potentially disrupt sleep if heavy meals are consumed, but late-night snacks won't directly tip the scales. It's about balance and smart choices throughout your day, rather than the clock on the wall. Do you find yourself worried about late-night nibbles? By dissecting these common myths, you'll not only be able to make more informed health choices, but also avoid unnecessary anxiety over misconceptions. With knowledge grounded in science, you can steer clear of myths and focus on what's truly beneficial. Which myth will you reconsider today?